So as I'm sure everyone is aware that Halloween is going to look a little bit different this year than it has in previous years. So I know there's probably a lot of people out there that don't want to spend a buttload of money on a costume, because not to rag on Halloween stores, because I do love Halloween stores with an actual passion, but the Halloween costumes they sell are quite pricey. So today I thought I would compile a couple of outfits that could also dupe as Halloween costumes. So essentially, I went through my closet, seen what clothes I had, and seen what clothes I could combine into a Halloween costume. Spend zero money, use what's in your closet, you get a costume. You know, this is also for like the last minute and lazy people who just don't want to find a costume until like the day of, and then they're just kind of ransacking their closet to try and find something to wear. Yeah, this is for you too. I love DIYing costumes, so if you are looking for any more costume inspiration or DIY costumes, I'll link the playlist down below as well as in the corner. Might be over here, might be over here. Can never remember which side it's on. Make sure to check those out and let's get started. All right, starting off with something super 2020, super current, super everyone's probably gonna know who you are. The one and only Carole Baskin. Her costume would be super easy. All you need is obviously a flower crown. This is something I've just had forever. And then you need something animal print. Now you could go one of two ways with this. You could go the cute route. I have this leopard print dress. Not really something that Carole Baskin would probably wear, but you'll get the you'll get the vibe. Or you could go this route. Now, when I searched her on Google, one of the main pictures that popped up was this picture of her wearing a pink kind of tie-dye-ish looking shirt that had leopard print on it. So here I have a pink tie-dye top, and then because there's no animal print on this, I have a leopard print like skirt, and what I'm gonna do is just like fold it and like put it around my neck like a scarf, because that seems like something she would do. Not wear a skirt as a scarf, but like, you know, wear like a leopard print scarf. These three pieces combined, you're gonna have yourself a Carole Baskin costume. So let's try it on. So I know Carole Baskin's hair definitely isn't quite like this, but this was the closest wig that I had to her hair, and it was gonna be a lot closer than my purple hair, so we're just gonna work with it for the video. Also, now that I put everything together, I feel like it kind of looks like a hippie costume, so you could also go that route as well, but I don't know, I feel like it looks pretty Carole Baskin-y. I feel like if the wig was a little bit shorter, then it might look a little more Carole Baskin-y. Also, if you wore this on Halloween, it's seriously so comfortable. It's like the most comfortable probably out of all the costumes in this video. Like, this is a perfect costume to like just wear on your couch, because like you could say you're dressed up, but you're also just like chilling with like pants and like a baggy t-shirt and something leopard printy, you know? So also, if you have a different shirt, like one that like has leopard print right on the shirt, that might also go a little bit better with Carole Baskin, but I was just working with what I had. I feel like people would know. They're gonna know. How would they know? They're gonna know. Coming in at number 2, we have a Mime So Easy. Also, I forgot to mention that I tried to make most of these costumes different than costumes that I've posted in previous videos. So again, like I said, if you want any more costume inspiration, costume ideas, DIY costumes, definitely make sure to check out the playlist below, because it has every single Halloween costume I've ever made for YouTube or ever tried on for YouTube or any of that stuff. So make sure to check that out if you are looking for some more like DIY costume ideas, etc. I know I already said that, but saying it again, so check it out. Okay, so Mime. All you need is a black and white striped top. That's pretty much it. Give yourself a little bit of face paint, rosy cheeks, some black lines, and you've got it covered. Now, sometimes they have like a little like red handkerchief and like a beret. I don't have a beret, but I think like the black and white striped top would be enough, but I'm going to, again, use a thing that's not what it is for something that it isn't. Did that make sense? I feel like I was just talking in Wonderland language. Okay, so I have this red crop top, which is inside out, and I think I'll just like tie it around my neck, make it look like a scarf, and call it a day. You could also go the super cheesy route of being a robber with this as well. I'm not gonna try that on because we all know what it looks like. Okay, so here we have the Mime. You kind of get the idea. Like, I didn't put the face paint on, but I did do the face paint for an Instagram picture recently. I'll pop my TikTok here so you guys can see what I made my face look like. And if you want to, you can add little white gloves to complete the ensemble. There you go. Mime costume. If you're a Halloween clothing fan, much like myself, then you probably own a sweater that looks kind of like this. So if you have a skeleton sweater, that's literally all you freaking need for a Halloween costume. Put it on and you're a skeleton. If you want to go all the way, if you want to commit, fully commit to this, do the face paint and you're golden. But if not, you get yourself a Halloween costume. So without the skeleton makeup, this one is a little bit extra lazy, but I think if you put some skeleton makeup on your face, then it would really seal the deal. I did skeleton makeup for a recent Instagram picture, so I'm just gonna show you what it looks like with some skeleton makeup on, because I really feel like that would be the real kicker. If you don't have one of these shirts, you can just wear a black outfit with skeleton makeup. Everyone's gonna know what you are. I've lost count already. I don't know how many costumes are in this video. Thought I would try. I didn't try this on, so I don't know how dumb it's gonna look, but we all know I love me a good mustard top. Okay, it's not a secret. There's obviously a costume that involves this. Now, can you guys guess what it is? I'm just gonna do something really quick. Hopefully you understand what I'm getting at. Do you get it, Pooh Bear? It might look dumb. It might look dumb, but I'm gonna try it anyway. I don't have ears or anything like that, but if you wanted to make ears out of paper and just stick them to your head with a headband or clips or something, that's a really easy costume as well, using pieces that you probably already have. All right, so here we have the infamous Mr. Winnie the Pooh. Now, this costume obviously is not the most flattering in the waist area, but I think it comes across. I just added these little cat ears because they're kind of like yellowy. I don't know. I just felt like it would kind of get the vibe across. I don't know. I feel like if you're in a pinch, I feel like it would do the job, you know? It would give you something. All right, one of the absolute easiest costumes you could probably ever come up with is if you have a black dress, put your black dress on and put one of these hats on and you're done. Which, so easy, it's not even funny. Everybody has a witch hat lying around their house somewhere. So I definitely didn't need to try this on for you guys to know what it looks like because it's very basic, but I feel like with my purple hair, like it really works for like witchy vibes because witches have like black and purple and green hair, that kind of stuff. So it kind of really works for me, but like you can just use your own hair. Witch hat in pretty much any outfit and you've basically got yourself a costume. Another really classic one that people like to go for and people buy the costumes and the costumes are like, they're really kind of simple, but like they're super expensive, is a goddess or Greek goddess or like, you know, something along those lines. So I have this like really long white cardigan style robe. You can also use a dress, but actually this is the costume that I used last year. I just tied this cardigan around my body like a dress and added some gold accessories and called myself a goddess. It really worked out easily because all of my friends were also Greek gods and goddesses, so like it really fit the theme well. As long as you got something white and probably some gold accessories, you should be good. If you don't have a white robe thing, use a sheet. This is what I did last year. I literally folded it like this. Wait, no, how did I do it last year? This isn't how I did it. I took the edges and I pinned them here. Then I took the arms and went like this. I safety pinned it last year so that it would stay. Okay, so this is basically how I had it last year, and I had like a little skirt on underneath. Yeah, it kind of looks like goddessy, and add like some, you know, obviously some gold jewelry, and obviously like you wouldn't want like your bra straps like to be out. But like I said, again, if you don't have like a weird roby thing like this, even if you just have a plain white dress and just add some gold accessories, I feel like it's just so obvious what you are when you're wearing like a long white dress on Halloween with some gold stuff. And last but not least, we have a fortune teller. I think fortune teller costumes are so cool. What's fun about them is that you can really just add a bunch of random pieces that like are kind of funky and kind of like glittery and kind of like dangly, you know, just like add like a bunch of stuff and call yourself a fortune teller. I have this like white peasant top and I have a necklace that I'm going to pair with this and make sure, like a lot of times they have like a bandana or something around. Make sure you've got some nice dangly earrings. I'll complete the look and show you what it looks like in the try on, which you will see right now. So for this one, I added a like necklace that has like these little jingly things on it. I found this like pillowcase that has like these sparkly things on it and put it on my head because they usually have some kind of like headscarf. I don't know if this is like the best color for this situation, but it kind of does the job. And then I have like this peasant top. I just kind of pulled it off the shoulders. That seems more like fortune tellery to me. I added this burgundy skirt. It's actually a velvet skirt. And then I had this chain from like a craft I never finished making. Because it has like these like jingly coin things on it, I don't know, I just feel like it really fits the vibe. It really kind of like finishes off the whole look. Any kind of jingly jewelry, gold accessories. If I had big hoop earrings, I'd probably put those in because I feel like that would really seal the deal. So those are all the last minute costumes that I have for you guys today using stuff that I found in my closet. Honestly, I'm pretty sure I could have gone even further with this and I could have found even more costumes, but we'll save that for another time. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below which costume was your favorite? Will you be trying any of these? Are you dressing up for Halloween this year? Are you not? Even if I'm sitting on my couch doing nothing, I'm still gonna dress up because Halloween's just not Halloween without a Halloween costume, okay? That's how I feel about it anyway. So yeah, this is going up on Sunday. I have one more Halloween video for you guys coming on Wednesday, and then I have a new not Halloween video coming next Sunday. So I'll see you guys on Wednesday, I'll see you guys on Sunday, and I'll see you guys on the vlog channel very soon, as well as semi-daily on Instagram and TikTok. So all that stuff will be linked in the description box below, and I will see you guys then. Bye!